Okay, I'm going to record the solution for, it was chapter 3, homework problem. It's number 23, but it's actually 3-42. Okay, so we're told you're going around this curve on the road. Let's see. It's kind of like this, right? So as you come around the curve, your acceleration, well, the acceleration's actually going to be going in this way, isn't it? But the acceleration is 3.0 meters per second squared. The number might be different on yours, but I got 3. And then we're asked, what would the acceleration be if your velocity were doubled? So if I'm starting at some velocity v right here, and then I double it, what will my acceleration be? Well, I know from this summary page right here that the equation of acceleration is velocity squared over r. So I'm going to go ahead and write down my equation. Acceleration is velocity squared over r. Let's substitute in and see what I know. I know 3v squared over r. Now I know the radius isn't going to change because the road doesn't change, so let's just solve for r. So r is going to be v squared over 3. Okay? Now obviously that's not going to change, but let's come on to case 2. Now case 2, they're saying, well, what happens if we double v? Well, the equation is still the same. Equation will still be v squared over r, and I want to find out what it is, but now let's substitute in. Now instead of v, I've doubled my v, so I have 2v. So I'll square it. And now I know what my r is because I solved for it up here, so I can substitute that in. So let's substitute in v squared. The 3 comes to the top. What's interesting is my v's all cancel. You can see I had, let's see, I had 4v squared times 3 on the top and v squared on the bottom. So the v squares cancel, and what am I left with? I'm left with 12.